To get on the path to fitness, you need a little more than willpower to get tangible results in a short amount of time. Motivation, while a huge driving factor in how well you do, really only forms the foundation of your goals. No matter how dedicated you are, if you don't go about things in the right way, then you're simply not going to get the results that you want, which is probably the easiest way to demotivate yourself and end up back at square one before you even realize it. There are tons of accessories, tools and aids to help spur you on while exercising and get the most out of your workout every time. Here's just 5 things that every fitness fanatic needs, and that's only beginning to scratch the surface. Number 1. Proper footwear. A good pair of trainers are a must for anyone looking to get serious about fitness. A cheap or flimsy pair of shoes might be tempting from a price standpoint, but it can seriously impact on your workout, and not in a good way. Good shoes can improve your balance and help you properly distribute your weight whilst putting less strain on your feet. It's also recommended that you have a few pairs that you swap out your shoes regularly to reduce risk of injury. Number 2. Water bottles. Hydration is the key to keeping up momentum and staying in good health, and you need to be able to rehydrate when out and about. A water bottle is an absolute must, one with a good grip and plenty of capacity for your energy drinks, water and so on. They're easy to get, cheap to buy and completely invaluable. Number 3. Supplements. Speaking of protein, there are some great sports supplement powders out there that can give your workout a boost, though they should never be used as a substitute for meals and proper nutrition. Muscle gain protein is a popular choice for people trying to build mass, for instance, depending on your goals. Number 4. Protein shakers. Speaking of supplements, you'll need something to make sure that your supplements are properly shaken, mixed and ready for drinking. Metrix protein shakers are a great brand and really useful when you've had a busy workout and can't face having to mix up your next protein shake from scratch. Number 5. Nutrition. It's not just about what you do during your workout. What you do outside of exercise is just as important, especially when it comes to your diet. Everything that you put into your body will have some kind of impact on your health, be it good or bad, and it's imperative that you embark on your new fitness regimen with a good understanding of nutrition and a proper dietary plan in place. There is so much more that can be done to maximize the effectiveness of your workout and get the results that you want. You don't have to follow every rule and piece of advice that you come across, but it's a good idea to incorporate some of these lifestyle choices and accessories into your life to keep yourself motivated and ready to go.